folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We got the I'm sorry, I can't talk today. Carbon Cub S2. This is a remade of it because I'll be honest, nothing against Horizon Hobby or HobbyZone or any of them, but the bind and fly, the receiver that comes in it, that flight controller, the new age stuff, I mean, yeah, it's got safe and all that, but I'm just not a fan of that receiver. For whatever reason, it was, I don't have an explanation. I just didn't like it. So to me, it made the servos just a little too twitchy. And so I took that whole system out, and I put in an Admiral Stability Plus Receiver in. Now it's got its own version of safe, an A3X, but it's a much simpler receiver. And to me, I just don't like that flight control. Now that's just me. That's not trying to deter. It's great for beginners. It's got the 3 levels and all that, but I had the hardest time trying to get it to give me a flap mix and to where I could do flaps. So now I've got the way I like it. I'm able to do the flaps the way I want them, and I'm much happier. Basically, I just love the airframe, to be honest with you. I love this airplane. I love this airframe. I really do. It's the same airframe as the HobbyZone Sport Cub S2. And if you look that up, it's a Park Zone Sport Cub S2. It's red and white. And you look that up on the internet. It's a long since discontinued plane. But it's the same exact plane as far as the airframe goes. Whoa.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Yeah. The other thing I did is that I went in there and I zip tied the skirts, the wheel skirts down. I just zip tied them in. That way they won't come off. And you want to zip tie them down as low as possible because they will eat into the bottom of your fuselage. I've also given this model a clear coat of the polyacrylic clear coat. All right. There we go. It's just a fun model. With the safe technology and everything, it's definitely good for a beginner.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right, let's go ahead and see if we can't land. I got flaps all the way down. Alright, well there you go. That is the HobbyZone. Like I still got a minute. Well, you know I got to. I'm running a Spectrum 2200 3-cylinder smart battery. Alright. We're going to do a no flap landing this time. I'll let her come in nice and gentle. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Let's get her turned around here. Bring her down the runway, show you how good she taxis. They just redid this runway. I tell you what, it's nice. Oh, that's the thing about tail dragger. They can get kind of squirrely, especially on uneven terrain, but this is really looking good out here. That's a good looking bird though, isn't it? Kind of scrappy. All right, that was fun. Did you have fun? You a happy bird? All right. Well, folks, thank you for watching. That is the HobbyZone Carbon Cub S2 with it's the bind and fly, but I've removed the flight controller and the receiver, and I put in my own Admiral Stability Plus Receiver, which it's just a much simpler receiver, and I'm happier with that. Nothing against the receiver that came with it. It's still a great receiver, great for learning, but I don't really need to be, I don't consider myself an expert, but I'm a strong intermediate pilot. I really don't need the safe technology. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.